What's up guys, Brian here and I'm back again with another awesome video. Today's video is really easy and simple. Although it's really simple and easy, it's something that I've been using a lot and it has really been useful to me. That's why I felt like sharing it with you guys. Let's say you just imported this object into Photoshop and you want to change the color to white or green or any color at all, or you just want to change the color of the portion of the image. Keep watching as that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, the first thing I'm going to state here is that this works best with transparent files, that's PNG files, any file that the background is transparent. You can still use it on normal files with solid background, but it will be more difficult. So let's say you are designing a thumbnail for your YouTube video and you just imported this fast forward icon and you want to quickly change the color from this black to red or any color at all. To do that, you just go to your adjustment layer tool here, click on it and select solid color. Now the whole screen will be filled with color. Just select the color that you want, even if it's not the accurate color at the moment. Let's say this is the color I want to change it to. I'll just click on OK. Now right click on the layer, the solid color, the color fill layer that you just created, and click on create clipping mask. It will clip that color to just this layer. That's why it's important you have a transparent background, because if the background was not transparent, the entire layer will be filled with the color. As you can see now, this layer has been filled with the color. Let's say you want to now change this color again to any other thing that you want. Let's say the color at first was not accurate. You just double click on this thumbnail here to bring up the color picker window again. Now either you can tweak it to the color that you want, or you can select, if the color is already on the screen, you can just use this color picker tool here. As you can see, this eyedropper tool here, just click on the color you want to select and it will automatically change the color of the object to that color. So let's say this is the color we want. I'll click on OK, and as you can see here, the object below has been changed to that color. Another way of doing this is selecting the color beforehand before you create the color fill layer. So to do that, you just go to this foreground color tool here, click on it, it will bring up the same color picker tool, pick the color that you want, click on OK, go back to the solid color tool again, click on OK, and it will do the same thing just as before. It's that easy. So now let's say you want the color to affect only a part of the image. Let's say you just want it to affect one of these triangles. To do that, you just select the triangle that you want. So I'll use my quick selection tool and just select only this triangle. As you can see, it selected the two of them, so let me deselect this other one. Now only one of the triangles is selected. Go back to the solid color tool, and then as you can see, the color has automatically been changed to only this one. I'll clip it to this layer so that it doesn't affect the entire image. Now the next thing I'm going to do again is to select this other triangle. So to do that, I'll use my quick selection tool again. Now I'm going to create another solid layer and change the color of this other triangle. So let's change it to blue. You see, really easy, very simple. Let me import another image and show you guys the same thing. Okay, so I just imported this my logo file. Let's say I just want to change the color of this part of the logo. To do that, I'll just create another solid color layer again. Let's say I want to make it green. Click on OK, then I'll clip it to here. So to make it affect only that part, I'll invert the mask, use my brush tool and just paint in that part. I'll make sure that the foreground color is white because that's what you use to reveal and black is to hide. So I'll just reduce my brush size and just paint only that portion. And as you can see, it's affecting only that portion of the logo. As you can see, it's affecting this lower part here. So to fix that, I can just create this tool here and then brush, and then brush it out. As you can see, really easy before, after. So that's it for this video, guys. There are so many ways you can apply this when you are working on your different designs of photo editing in Photoshop. I hope you learned a thing. If you did, click on the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, and so you don't miss out on other awesome videos in future. See you guys in the next one.